Hey everyone, in this video, let's find out how you can use LMarena AI. In order to do so, here we are at LMarena.ai. And what is LMarena all about? It is LMarena. It's find the best AI for you. Compare answers across top AI models, share your feedback, and power our public leaderboard. So what happens here is if you type in your question, then up on the left-hand side, here where it says battle, you're going to see that you have three options. You've got the battle between two anonymous models. You've got a side-by-side comparison of two models of your choice, or you can chat with one model at a time. Let's go ahead and click on side-by-side. So you can see here that we can compare these various models. We've got Grok, we've got Gemini, we've got Claude, ChatGPT. I mean, there's really a tons of stuff here. And so you could choose whichever one you want. And then over here, you can select another one. You can put in your question and then you will get an answer. So let's go ahead and test it out. We'll just do something kind of silly and fun. Tell me about time travel. And there we go. Now you can see that we have both of our models and they're responding. And right now, Claude really seems to be coming in fast with its responses, which is quite impressive. Now, Gemini Pro coming in. So what you can do is you can just go and you can just see which one is the most accurate. That's up to you to kind of decide that. But yeah, you can see here, left is better. It's a tie. Both are bad. Right is better. So you can choose which one you think is the better response. And we also got the direct chat if you just want to chat with one model at a time, or we've got the battle if you want to talk to two anonymous models. So pretty cool idea. If you are interested in using it, head over to lmarena.ai to get started. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe. And don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you take a look in the description, you'll find a link to our link tree. There you'll find our socials and our top AI recommendations, including Cintra. Cintra is a fantastic business strategy tool that gets to know you and your business and offers specialized insights to help you succeed. Check out our YouTube playlist all about Cintra. And if you click on the link in the link tree, you can get 60% off your first month subscription. It's a fantastic tool. Highly recommend it. Also recommend Simply Financial. If you're looking for an online bank, check out the link in the link tree. Click on that. You'll get $50 to open an account. And if you refer your friends and family, you'll get $125 per referral. It's a great deal. It's a great bank. I personally vouch for it. Check to see if it's available in your area.